sealing all of this. So I'm gonna seal it right on the top of the metal piece, but I'm avoiding to get it on the top of the crystal. We're gonna do it on the edges, on the sides, to check if it had any like gap, but we are not going to seal on the top of crystal. Right here I feel scratchy. We're gonna squeeze just a little bit. Something's a little fur's get in there. So you're gonna seal this a little bit. You feel scratchy right here, we're gonna squeeze just that much. You see that how little I'm using? You do not need to use a lot. Little go a long way. And then I'm gonna check. Right here scratchy, and you're gonna squeeze just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot, but it definitely seals really well for you. All right. And then, you know, keep in mind, you can definitely go back if you feel like you're still not feeling everything. So what I would do, flash here for 10 seconds, and then go back and seal more on it. So then that way you don't have it, your precision glue gel is running everywhere. So we are going to cure this one for 60 seconds. And while we're waiting for this nail to be clear, I am using the next ones for you. Is this one clear? Mm-hmm. And then we are going to do this too. Okay. And seals on the top of the frame. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. It's so awesome to have you all here, and happy Thursday. I'm gonna seal on the top of the beads. Check on the size of the frame and on the edges of the crystals. You try not to using too much because you don't want to flood it, your crystal. So for instance, if this one, it's got a little bit of the excess precision glue gels, I'm gonna using twin tip brush on the other end and blend it. So then when you cure, it doesn't look lumpy bumpy at all. So great. So now I am going to cure this for 60 seconds. And here's the last one. We're gonna seal it. We're going to seal on the top of the nails. On the top of the beads and on the frame. I said what? The top of the nails? We did top of the nails. Sometimes I look, I just like seeing it. And oh, thanks so much, Aika. So sealed. I feel scratchy here. I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit. And then we are going to seal on the top of the beads, and then we cure. Just a little, you don't want to do too much. Hello, Nino. Hola. All right, so here is the looks of that one. We have a $10 nail art. Let me move this one quick. We're also gonna do show the final looks, and then guess what, I'm coming back after a few minutes, and I'm coming back doing a super beautiful $15 nails with some chamfer foil for you. Here's the looks of that 4 nails. $10 nail art right there. Here you go, everyone. You can screenshot it if you want to, or I am going to take a picture for all of us.